matured so quickly. This is guys lang. It's already wrinkly because damn. So okay. We have to remove this so all these smaller one will get bigger. There. These guys, they are wrinkly. But this another one there, and one over there, and then more shoots coming there. And this is tomatoes, so we have to pick this as well. There. Oops, it's split over there. I left it too long, guys, to pick, so this is what happened. Because for the past few days the weather is too hot, so they become ripe so quickly, matured so quickly, and I didn't realize that. Oh dear, I hope this sweet pepper is still okay.